Good afternoon, friends. For math today, we're going to look at our tens frames with the French fries. So I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to write my name at the top. And then for this math activity today, you're going to need a crayon. Okay, so it says color the tens frames to match each number. So I'm going to look at the first one. I have 15. Okay, so I'm going to draw 15 circles. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I filled in 15. Now your job is to do the rest on your own. So you're going to look at the number and then put that many in the tens frame. So you're going to represent the number. You're going to show us that number. All right, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.